Let us look at how to populate common masters in Aruti. For instance, most of the items that you see on Aruti drop-down menus, the items that you toggle on the list, are all populated from the common masters. Those will be things like employment types, interview types, marital status, languages, relations, titles, vacancies, and all that. So to have all those items on your drop down and maybe allow users to be able to select those particular items, you must have actually populated them on your common masters. So I'll just show you how to access the common masters and how to create new items in the list and to update existing. So once you log in, navigate your way to general master, then you pick core setups right here, and then you can select common masters. So this is the library of all those items that come on a drop-down menu in Aruti. So select common masters, and then you choose which item do you want to update or to to create. That is, in my case, I want to create items of type maybe marital status. I want to create marital statuses on a drop-down. So you can find the marital status on your list, and then you can have your item. So you can add a new, for example, 003, and something like engaged, something of that sort. Then you save. So just take note that all you need to create an item on such like lists is to indicate a code and a name. So alias is very optional, so you can ignore. Just make sure that the code you are using and the name that you are inputting is not on the list. So the code must be unique and the name must also be unique. Once you're done, you click on save. Once you save, you'll see your item on the list. As you can see, here we have my item already on the list. You can also choose to update other items like employment types, for example. So you come back to your list, find employment type. Here we go. Then you can add additional items, maybe something like apart from consultant, permanent, you can have contract employment type. Then you save. So you can have as many depending on your preferences. Apart from that, you can also update things to do with relations, for example. So it could be anything. So come back to your list of masters, find relations, then you can populate your relations. Just remember that all you need is a code and a name, then you save. A code and a name, then you save. To make changes, maybe you want to edit something, just highlight it, maybe from cousin to nephew, and then you click on save. And then you click on save. There you go. So you have your item right there. So you can update, you can also delete. Right here, just click on yes, then it disappears if you want to delete an item on the list. Then let me mention one more thing. In relation to recruitment, maybe you are updating items that should affect drop-down menus on a Aruti recruitment site. Once you make these changes, you have to export those particular details to the web. So make sure that once you've done the change, for example, if I wanted to change to add an item on languages, maybe a new language like say Spanish, I will have a code. I can just use name as code as well, then duplicate code and name to be the same, like on my list, then you save. So if you want the new name to appear on your drop down, we are talking about the recruitment site of Aruti, then you must re-export your data. So again, go back to human resource, find recruitment, then select export data to web, then click start exporting. There you go. So all the changes that you would have made on your masters, they will again reflect on your recruitment site. So if you just change your masters and then you don't export data to the web, then those changes will not reflect on your website.